How to check if you have Xbox Live Gold membership. So first of all, when you're on the Xbox dashboard, the home page here, you want to press up on your left stick, then go to the right all the way along until you see settings. Click A on that to get into the settings menu. Then press down on the left stick once to get to account, then to the right to get into this account section here where you want to go to subscriptions. Click on A there. There you will see your active subscriptions if you have them. If you don't, it will say that you don't have any active subscriptions like I do now. You can click A to see the available subscriptions for you. And here it's not Xbox Live anymore, not Xbox Live Gold. You've got Game Pass Ultimate, Standard and Core. There's different options where you can click on them, buy them there by clicking Join Now. So if you do have any of those memberships currently live, right there it should be a section where it says when it expires. You should see a date. If not, you can go back in here to payment and billing. Then you'll be able to see the order history. You can change that to from 1 month to a year, or from all of history. You can go in there and see order history. Then you'll know if it's a year membership, when it expires, if it's a month, etc. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped. Subscribe for my helpful videos.